Hello, children. How are you all? I hope that all of you are fine and healthy. So, students, today I'm back again with some another new and interesting rules from the same topic, subject verb agreement. Okay, I hope all of you are enjoying these videos and the new or old rules that we have already learned. Okay, so I hope that all of you are ready for learning the new rules. Okay, so pronouns many, several, a few, some, and both take plural verbs. Example: many are called, but few are chosen. Okay, and many persons they are called, but only few persons are chosen. Okay, so pronouns like many, several, a few, some, both, whenever you get these things, you need to remember or you need to keep it in mind that at that time you have to use plural verb. Now, another rule: adjectives used as nominals require plural verbs. Nominals or nouns or as the subject of your sentence, they require plural verbs. The poor are to be helped, or the poor should be helped. Okay, or we should help the poor people. So here poor, this is the adjective and it is denoting the poor people. So I hope you have understood. Now rule number 20. The pronoun it is always followed by a singular verb, like it is you they want to see or they want to see you. Like, so this pronoun it, we sometimes we call it as the introductory it also. So it is always followed by a singular verb, as you can see in this example. Okay, so now some new rules that we need to learn. Okay, so what are those new rules? Just have a look. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase and that phrase contains a plural noun, the verb is singular. Like, one of the boys is yelling so loud. One of the members is against the rule. Here, among so many other members, only one member is against the rule. Among other boys, only one boy is yelling so loud. Okay, so I hope you have understood this rule also. Now, the next rule about the name of any country. If the name of any country that ends with s, you may think that you have to use plural noun but plural verb, but it is not like that. The name of a country is always regarded as singular. Like, the Brahmas has beautiful beaches, Philippines is a wondrous place. Okay, so whenever you get any name of a country that ends with s, you need to use the singular verb. Okay, now the next rule about some mathematical expressions. Like, you can see in the use of mathematical expressions, the following are accepted. Like, 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. 5 times 2 are 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. Is it correct? This one is not correct. 5 minus 2. Yes, it's correct. I hope you have understood that I'm just joking with you. I just want to see that whether you can find it out or not. A noun that means the people of a country takes a plural verb, as it is denoting the people of a country, like the English, the Chinese, the Japanese. The Chinese drink green tea. Okay, here Chinese, it's denoting the people of China, and that's why we are using the plural verb. Okay, so now another rules about the languages. Languages are always singular. For example, English, Arabic. English is spoken in many countries. Arabic is my native language. Actually, it is not, but here it's just only one example. Okay, now some another rules that you need to keep in mind while using those things whenever you are going to make new sentences with the help of those words. Okay, you need to understand this thing very clearly. Some nouns of nationality that end in sh, eac, and ch can mean either language or people. Okay, like English, it can mean either language or people, but whenever it is used as language, like French is a common language, but plural verb you have to use when you are denoting French as the people of that particular country, the French are friendly people. Japanese is a difficult language, you have to use singular verb when it's a language, but the Japanese are workaholic. But when you are denoting the people of that country, you have to use the plural verb. So now it's the time to share that what have you learned. Okay, today also we have learned several rules from this particular topic called the subject verb agreement. So I hope that all of you also learned these things. And what have you learned, or what we have learned, that we need to just have a look to make it understand or make yourself understand in a better way. Sums and products of mathematical processes are expressed as singular and require singular verbs. Okay, like more than one student has tried this. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 times 4 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, so whenever you are getting the product, you have to use is. Okay, a few adjectives can be preceded by the and used as plural nouns without the final s to refer to people who have that quality, like the young, the dead. The poor have many problems. Poor means the poor people. The rich get richer. Here, rich, it's the adjective, but it is denoting the rich people. So, I hope we have revised these things that we have learned today. Now, this is the worksheet that you need to do. You need to circle the correct verb for each sentence. Okay, either Sam or Patty is or are the new class president or the new class monitor, like that. One of the dogs growls or growl at strangers. The principal and the coach visit or visits our classroom every month. All of the books is or are on the table. Every one of the apples was in the bag, like that. Can you choose the right verb? Circle the verb that is correct for each sentence. The cat is or are scratching on the tree. Jenny wants a new bike. A boy is or are playing with a ball. Everyone at my party is or are eating cake and ice cream. Two dogs is or are running in circles. Mike's turkeys is or are huge. There was or were 3 hot dogs steaming on the plate. I like or likes the blue dress with all the flowers on it. There, these things you will get in your in the PDF file also in your school website, and that PDF file will be available to all of you from this Friday morning. So you can download that PDF file and you will get this worksheets there also, and from there you can solve it also. So thank you very much to all of you. Solve this worksheets and send it to me in PDF format for correction. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you all.